What is up, guys? Welcome to my new unboxing video on Sympathy. So it's my first unboxing video on this channel. So let's have some fun together. And as you can see, I have the new iPhone 12. It's the version with 128 gigabyte, if you can see. And let's start, I would say. So let's go with the best part in an unboxing video. I will hold it tight to the microphone so you can hear the noise. Perfect. iPhone 12, the black version, 128 gigabyte, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Okay, now let's go to the fun part. Wow. Okay. So for me, it's the first time to see an iPhone 12, to be honest. It looks great. Am I the only one who likes it? So I hope you can see it. It's a black version, but it's something interesting in this color. It's like, I would say, black with a little bit of blue and gray mixed in. So it's mainly black, but it's a wonderful black, to be honest. So I really like it. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. I hope so for you guys. So just let me grab the phone, put it away, and then go to the inside of the iPhone 12. So as you guys know, the iPhone 12 doesn't come with a charger, just with a cable. So it's USB-C to Lightning, as you can see. Let me just show you the USB-C end. So USB-C to Lightning, that's what it comes with. And as usual, we got all the SIM eject tool, the guarantee stuff, and so on. And we have one Apple sticker, as I can see. So let me put this away. And nothing else in this box. Sad for me, to be honest. But yeah, let's come to the main product. And I will hold it again tightly or close to the microphone that you can hear the sound. The new iPhone 12 128 gig. And already some fingerprints. So let us open the iPhone 12 together. And just go inside and configure it, the iPhone 12, and have a first look. So it takes me a little bit longer as I have to update my new iPhone. So this is the current situation. I'm transferring the data from my old iPhone to this one. So we have time remaining about 8 minutes, and then we will see what the iPhone 12 is all about in the inside. As you can see, everything is set up and it works perfectly. So I transferred everything from my old iPhone XS 64 gigabyte to this one, and everything has to load, as you can see. So I have a lot of apps, and I know it looks a little bit messy, but I will get rid of that hopefully someday. And yeah, some facts about this iPhone 12. So I can use 5G on it. It has the new A14 Bionic processor as the iPhone 12 Pro. They say it's the fastest chip in a smartphone. It has an edge-to-edge OLED panel, which is really nice, 6.1 inch. It has a ceramic shield, which is 4 times better at drop performance, and a night mode on every camera. So the camera should be much better than my previous one. Exactly, and we have aluminium edges and aerospace grade. Looks amazing. Looks really good. Really, really good. Wow. We have one wide and one ultra wide camera. The thing is, the ultra wide camera brings 27% more light, and this makes every picture look better and have a better night performance. Right now I'm just like happy to have it and thrilled to use it, and hopefully we will see soon my review on this phone. Thank you for watching. Bye.